Hey Manoj, how are you, my friend? Where are you going? Hi Prakash, I'm good. Just going home. Come sit. We are meeting after such a long time. Let's have a cup of coffee at my house. Why not? Let's go. Wow, Prakash, I'm really happy to see the change in your lifestyle. Thanks. It's just a matter of investing in the right option at the right time. We both started working at same time, but I could see a major difference in lifestyle between you and me. Tell me the secret, please. I told you, Manoj, it's just a matter of investing properly through right advice. It's just not possible. I too invest in a bank since long. I too have a bank FD, but I can't even dream of such a lifestyle. Are you doing any side business along with your job? Yes, I am doing business, but the major difference in my lifestyle is due to my right financial decisions. I invested in mutual funds for 20 years. My financial advisor invested this money into various mutual funds investments options such as ELSS, SIP, balanced funds, liquid funds, etc. This investment gave me a huge sum of money which helped me fulfill all my dreams. It's just amazing! Mutual funds investments can change our financial life with better returns. Sach mein, mutual funds sahi hai. Get the right investment advice from your financial advisor.